If you're not aware, my mother's levels are in the 400s. And if you're not aware of liver levels, when they're that high, they can cause jaundice. And it's not from drinking alcohol or anything like that. What it's from is eating processed foods. Like, I'm not going to show the name, but processed foods like this protein bar. I wanted her to eat healthier. That is a really hard obstacle to overcome. But what I did is definitely not perfect, but you would think having things like this would be healthy. They're really not. Are they better than this? Yeah, but still not healthy. Let me explain. Most people follow nutritional facts. It's okay to look at this, but you really want to look at the ingredients. Why in the heck does an omelet need to have all these ingredients? And one of the worst things for you, and this is like her, she has MS, especially for anyone, but especially if you have a neurological condition, you want to stay away to a lot of these ingredients. One of these ingredients is canola oil, another seed oil. Canola oil, just like most seed oils, was originally designed to lubricate machinery, but because somebody had the bright idea, they said, why don't we replace that for butter to make, because it's cheaper to make the oil rather than to use butter. But you would think these are healthy, but they're not. If you want to have an omelet, use your regular stove and use butter. And always look at this. And because of where I'm at the moment, I really can't cook. So I got some things at Costco. And what I look for, and this is just your grass-fed beef. Or is it? Yeah, I paid attention to nutritional facts, but I really wanted to look at the ingredients. Now, there's no seed oils or, highly processed ingredients. This is what everyone should look at, the ingredients. This is the most important. And by not looking at this or knowing it properly, you're really hurting yourself. We are here to help. If you have any questions, please email us and we'll schedule your free consultation. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thank you.